ครับ
ค่ะก็ตอนแรกลองใช้ตัวนี้นะคะก็จะแบบว่าเฟรชขึ้นเลยเนาะแบบว่าขาวขึ้นด้วยแล้วพอหลังจากเราใช้ทาตัวนี้ดูแบบนิ่มมากเลยค่ะผิวนิ่มแบบนิ่มเวอร์อะเราไม่รู้จะพูดว่ายังไงแต่นิ่มจริงๆดีจริงๆลองแค่ครั้งแรกเองนะคะเนี่ย
โอเคครับผมขอบคุณนะครับ For you test and after test how do you feel
Before I test, I don't believe. After I test, okay, so I buy one to try.
Yeah. How about the feeling of the touch of your hands?
Yeah, more smoother, more moisture.
A bit fairer.
What about you? Any difference in terms of?
Can see a little bit fairer. And of course it's smoother.
Okay, thank you so much. Later talk. Okay, Adeline, would you, before you use and after use, would you tell us the feeling that one?
Okay. Before is normal. After using, immediately can see the results, soft, and can see the quality is very good. The ingredients is good.
Okay.
But it's only that it's too small.
Okay, thank you. Before and after you test the Lamone DNA Essence.
My skin very dry and rough. After applying, I feel very smooth and
brighter.
brighter.
Okay, thank you so much.